Pyrocal's technology is an advanced thermal treatment technology which carbonizes biomass or biosolid feedstocks into a valuable product called biochar. So we're transforming what's traditionally a waste product, the nutshells, we're transforming that into a valuable form of sequestered carbon in the form of biochar. We do that with an autothermal process which carbonizes those feedstocks, locks up the carbon in a very stable form, which is stable in soil and for hundreds of years. In the process, we also recover thermal energy, which can be used to offset fossil fuel usage in an industrial facility like this one. So biochar, because it's a very stable form of carbon, it's got a carbon matrix which is absorbent. It holds on to moisture primarily, but also nutrients, and applying that to the soil helps with moisture retention and nutrient retention in the soil. And it's also a way of increasing the soil carbon in an agricultural application. It's different in that it doesn't have any nutrients of its own, but it helps to retain those nutrients. So fertilizer is a nutrient application. Biochar helps as an aid to those nutrients and helps to retain those in the soil for longer.
We anticipate multiple benefits from the production and the incorporation of biochar into our orchards. We expect that it will improve the quality of the soil, the soil structure in general. It should enhance the water holding capacity of the soil and the nutrient uptake for our trees. So we know that soil quality in Australia is variable and the cost of inputs is only ever going up. So to be able to take a waste product to incorporate that back into our soils to generate real enduring value, this is a game changer for sustainability in Australian farming, we believe. So we take the shell waste, absolutely a natural product, put it through the carbonisation process, locks the carbon away, removes the other volatile elements of the product, incorporates it back into the soil, adds all of those wonderful values, so absolutely a fully sustainable system.
So it transforms what's traditionally waste feedstocks into a valuable resource. It recovers thermal energy, and it adds to those sustainability goals that everybody's looking for in an economy where you're looking at circular economy principles. So our partnership with Stahmann Webster is a wonderful example of how we can help customers like them to increase their sustainability and increase crop yields and commercial outcomes with their agricultural and processing operations.